Papuntang airport, it's only 28 minutes. Saya lang, ganda guys. Mukhang kailangan ko bumalik ulit dito. Winner. Spicy to spicy. Guys, I'm in Malaysia. So, syempre nakamask pa rin ako. Alam niyo naman yan, di ba? But, so mabilis na naman tong trip ko na to. And we're just going to do how cashless can we go in Malaysia. So, we're gonna test out saan magana yung mga cards, especially yung mga Gcash cards rin, yung mga debit cards natin. Dati meron ako mga konting videos about it, like saan pwedeng i-withdraw, pero I think gawin natin mas comprehensive. At saka one video, kompleto na lahat. So tomorrow, kailangan marami akong gagawin. And ang ganda ng airport ng Malaysia. I think last year kasi hindi pa masyadong bukas to side na to. Now, from the last time I remember, iba basta. I think ngayon bukas na yung bagong side. Naman, oh. Hindi ganito to last year, I'm sure. Ganda. I think, ang dami nyo nasasabihin. Bakit ba ako parang lagi nagmamadali? Wala lang, lagi talaga ako nagmamadali para maglakad. Here we go! Arrivals! Arrivals area na tayo, guys. So check ha. For passport, left tayo. Or right. See guys, so importante that you have your what do you call that? Oh, I'm gonna check the rates here lang ha. Ako ng rates on. But also before anything else, ang ginawa ko rin is don't forget you need your Malaysian arrival card. So pagdating mo, nandiyan na kaagad. So Malaysian arrival card, important. Must have mo yan before you go, before you arrive. Tapusin niyo po yan, don't forget. And then, ito na, itayin ko na yung bag ko dito sa Carousel E. And then, arangkada na because it's 1 a.m., 1:30 na. And I wanna go to the hotel agad. So mag-grab ako kasi guys, gabi na, walang kotse. So, this is gate 5-6, paglabas mo. And then may elevator dyan. Bababa tayo to level 1. Kasi dun yung ride-hailing apps. Level 1. So, kailangan bumaba. E-hailings. Yun. Yan yung door 3, guys. So, let's just wait for the Grab to come. By the way, don't forget to use the Grab na yung mga travel pass. Kasi sayang 5 ringgit off for your airport ride to the city, 1. Tapos, papunta naman sa airport, isa pa. So, parang nakasave ka ng 10. Tapos, ang travel pass is only 3 ringgit. Bawing-bawi ka agad. Guys, ang daming awards. It's my first time staying in this hotel and alam mo ba, yung train station katapat ko lang. And then not only that, papuntang airport, it's only 28 minutes by the train. Tatawid lang ako. As in, tatapat lang. This hotel location is so great. I'm gonna excited for the room as well kasi I feel maganda rin yung kwarto na to. So, oh my gosh, guys. Kung hindi lang ganang kaaga yung flight na to, I will ride the train. But because no choice tayo, well. So we got the 25th floor. So breakfast rin sa baba. So late tomorrow we're gonna have breakfast and we're gonna try it. Sa Vascos. Yan po yung breakfast na yan. Pero guys, tinanong ko na rin, ano yung may 7-Eleven ba saan malapit? Yes, meron. Katapat rin daw. So, medyo na-excite ako. And mukhang kailangan ko bumalik ulit dito. Hindi pa natin nakita yung kwarto, di ba? But ayun, parang kanina nakita ko how the, what do you call that? How digitally ready sila sa cashless. Kasi even yung toll, pwede mag-Visa and Mastercard. Isipin mo yung toll mo sa Philippines kung pwede mag-Visa and Mastercard. Sila may mga logos na pwede Visa and Mastercard. Okay, 2502 yung room natin. So, we're gonna go. Tara! Okay guys, let's do the room tour. Kung pagpasok mo guys, bathroom, may door siya. And, tingnan nyo, all your amenities is here. I love na may mouthwash rin sila. Very Hilton, Crabtree ang kanyang amenities or yung mga toiletries, I mean. You have a big bathtub here. Diba, may sabon din sa bathtub mo. And then, you also have your cabinet. Guys, lahat naman kailangan mo. nandito yon. Drawers as well. And kung titingnan mo lang, yung likod na to is the same cabinet mo from the other side. So, nandito yung laundry bag mo. You can store your bags here as well. Slippers are also provided. Bag ko pala to, guys. Inilagay ko lang muna dyan. And then, of course, nandito yung standing shower mo. May chair pa dyan if ever you want to have. If you want to sit down, having taken your shower. Shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, nandyan na po lahat din. Guys, in fairness, ang ganda ng bathroom nila dito. Even the rooms is so nice. All of your toiletries nandyan na rin as well. And what's this? It's your water closet. And yes, may bidet. O, diba? Ang cute diba ng room niya? Kasi lahat parang naka-close talaga, naka-private. Privacy is key. O, diba? Mirrors, ang daming mirrors. Kasi kung flip side mo guys, ito yung kanina, diba? Laundry bag, hangers mo, nandiyan lahat yan. Slippers. And then, ito na yung kwarto. Look at how cute they are! Welcome to Hilton! Oh, nakulan lang ng dyan. Pero ang cute! Diba? So, I got a king-size room. And guys, yan nyo, you can even select your pillow menu. Baka pag gusto nyo palitan. May plugs, outlet, sockets is there if ever you need to. And look at the cute little touch! Oh, welcome to Hilton. And then, tingnan mo naman. Ang cute nito. Hope you enjoy your stay. I like it so much. Thank you so much. Zilani, maraming salamat. And then on the other side, you have your speaker. And then you also have your plugs. And then guys, ito yung mini fridge mo, mini bar. So have your water. And then here, you definitely have your coffee. Cups and mugs. And then here is your ref. Guys, may bayad yan. So if you don't want to pay, don't drink. Then you have your own couch here. And then your own working station or working table here. O diba? Paper and pen is also provided. Now, if we're going to look at the view of the room, taran! Ooh, highway and the city view. In fair guys, CIMB yung unang-una ko nakikita dito. Diba Malaysia's bank talaga. One of the biggest bank here. Kaya siya tutuwa ako dito. I'm so happy with this room. My God, hindi pa tayo natatapos guys. Tingnan mo. Sa cabinet is your ironing board, pati yung iyong luggage rack. Oh. Diba? Wow. Saya lang. Ganda guys. Natutuwa ako. And then may mga 7-Eleven din, pero yung nga nabababa pa ako and tatawid lang. So baka bukas ko na siya gagawin. Hindi na ngayon. Baka pahinga na muna ngayon. Para hindi na rin ako ma-force mamaya. Biglang mapapakain pa ako. Diba? So parang wag na muna. Ayan guys, may lift pala dito. Dito tayo. P3. Ayan KLAI, Express, MRT, LRT, Monorail, Linkway, lahat nandito. Ayan na. Tapos dito tayo lalabas. Tapos tatawid lang daw. And then may 7-Eleven na. Because that is your station. Is ito lang katapat niya So yung lahat ng express trains mo nandito na. Okay. Galing kasi ATM. Wow. Everything's here. Ayun, 7-Eleven nakita ko na. 7-Eleven. Tapos may News Plus. Tapos may McDonald's pa dyan daming pwedeng kami kainin. Wow, open siya. Open 24 hours guys. Open pa yan. Ayun yung 7-Eleven. Wow! Cute may Jack and Jill sila. Pero ito yung gusto ko, Sprite kasi. Low calorie with vitamins. Diba? Kakaiba. And okay. 7.1 siya guys. Okay, thank you. Achievement lot. 7.1 yung total nito. Using the GCash website. 7.1 ringgit. So, titignan natin magkano yung conversion later. But at least, now we know it works. Diba? Tempe yung McDonald's, nakikita ko pa lang siya ngayon. Pero parang ayoko na, huwag na tayo mag-McDo. Okay, perfect. May mga ATMs na rin here, so I can try it out. Maybank at saka CIMB. CIMB muna tayo. So para makita nyo guys, CIMB, ito itsura ng CIMB. Okay, let's go! English. Withdrawal. savings. A fee daw will be charged, pero hindi natin alam kung magkano yung fee. Tingnan natin kung meron. Exchange rate is yan, di ba? And then, skip conversion talaga. And then, nakuha na natin yung card natin, guys. And then, nakuha pa na yung 100. Yung 100. And then, view details. Ay, so wala na silang ganyang paper. So, right now, nakaganyan na lang yun. So, isa-screenshot ko to. Ay, nako, hindi na nakita yung print receipt. Anyways, at least meron na tayo. So, yung chinarge sa atin sa 7-Eleven is 95.57. Tapos, yung sa withdrawal is 1346 naman for 100. So, babalik muna ako sa kwarto para makita natin yung mga charging na. So, nakaupo ako while I computed with the Visa rate. So, today was all GCash. And then CIMB yung trinay natin kasi yung Maybank na machine sira. And CIMB, totoo na ang daming machine na ganyan. So, I'm pretty sure madadali lang kayo maghanap ng gano'n. So far, winner siya. Kung gusto niyo makita natin kasi since meron namang Euronet dito, let's try a Euronet. Diba? Let's try Euronet. GCash yan. English. Ay, taas o 10% access fee. Di ba mo yung access fee niya? 15. So, huwag ka wag kayo dito. Picturean ko pa to. Cancel. Mahal. Don't forget kunin yung card nyo or else kinakain yan. No. X. Guys, na-control ko sarili ko. Hindi na ako bumili. And the good thing is, kakaland lang natin, but nagawa ko na lahat ng mga kailangan ko. Medyo naka-zoom yung face ko dito, I think, guys, because hindi ko dala yung wide lens ko, nasa kwarto lang siya. But at least napakita ko sa inyo yung 7-Eleven. Not only that, napakita ko pa sa inyo yung withdrawals. So, yun yung sasabihin ko sa inyo. Compute natin siya pagbalik ko sa room. Give me a sec. Makakompute natin siya. Matao, tumatawid ah. Hi guys! Okay, so let's do it. Let's do and the review. So, kanina, we did a 7-Eleven. So, I bought the Sprite plus the chips. So, 7.1 Malaysian ringgit siya. And na-charge ako ng 95.57 pesos. Now, if you're going to look at the Visa foreign currency exchange rate, 7.1 is 95.56. So, 57 siya kasi 56.55 to eh. So, rounded up. So, same. Walang charge. Walang added fees. Perfect rate, Visa rate. Tapos kanina, nag-withdraw ko ng 100 Malaysian ringgit, 1346 yung charge sa akin. And if you're going to look at the GCash rate then, it's 100 Malaysian ringgit, 1345.99. So, 1346 charge. No withdrawal fee, CIMB. Perfect. Yun talaga yung gamitin nyo. And kung nakita nyo, di ba, yung makaloka, di ba, yung sa CIMB na rate, 1426.7 yung gusto niyang i-charge. And then, na-charge lang tayo, if hindi mo chinus yung Malaysian ringgit, chinus mo Philippine pesos, friend, nulugi ka ng almost, magiging kulang-kulang 100 pesos. Kung nag-Euronet ka naman, ang lugi mo doon is 400 pesos. Di ba 400? 400 pesos. Nakakaloka, di ba? So guys, please, use and withdraw wisely or else malulugi ka. Parang hindi malamig tong nakuha ko. Hindi masyado. Para siyang linalagnat, guys. Chili cheese, cornets. Gusto ko ito yung mga pinapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Naku, tutulungin talaga ako in a bit. Ginawa ko lang yun, naglakad lang ako para to burn off the calories. And also, gusto ko na siya matest. Ay, para siyang ano to guys? Para siyang Cheetos. Baked, not fried. Napag. Parang corn na may pagka-chili, nag-cheese. Tomorrow, mga shops na matitingnan natin. And if ever yung train. Gusto ko rin makita yung train. Titingnan ko siya bukas. Kasi ngayon lahat nakasara na eh. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Good night, guys. Morning, guys. Yan ang view. Ng umaga, ang ganda. Yan ang pool. Hindi na-appreciate nung gabi kasi dilim. Wow. Good morning. Let's have breakfast. Do some work. And then, Medyo late na. Kasi late na rin naman ako nakatulog kahapon, guys. But, medyo at least, ang dami ko naman nagawa kahapon. Di ba? Na-test out ko na yung mga kailangan i-test out. So today, more tests. I'm having nasi lemak. O, di ba? Yum! At saka ito yung breakfast area nila. Ang dami ng tao. As in, dami tao. Kaya natin ang nasi lemak. Kung masarap sa hotel. Wrap. Wrap. Winner. Winner. So guys, pupunta tayo sa KLCC Mall. Kasi for me, yun yung pinakamalapit. And then, pwede ko ba gamitin yung mga cards. And then sabi niya, may train daw that will go directly from here to KLCC Mall. So meron daw link way na bababa lang daw from the hotel. Like yung kanina natin pinuntahan. Pero, meron daw siya link na diretsyo daw doon sa station nila. So, let's go. What I love about it is matatry natin kung pwede ba mag-cards sa mga trains. Hindi ko sure kasi parang na last time, pinahiram ako ng card. But now, let's try kung wala kang card. Pwede ba? Let's see. KL Central. Gosh, guys, grabe. Then may left rin dito. So if ever... Ay! Malaysia Truly Asia pa rin ang branding nila. Malaysia Truly Asia. Ang lakas talaga ng branding na yan. Ayan na siya, guys. The station. Guys, parang ito yung kahapon na nandito ako. Kabilang side. Kasi nakita ko na yung McDo ulit. So, it's the same area for the KLIA Airport Express. So, yun yung train na I feel tomorrow masasakyan ko siya. Excuse me, kasi nung ginugol ko, mukhang may train na yun. KLIA. Rapid KL. Ayan guys, LRT daw siya. So, LRT yung kailangan kong sakyan. So, yan yung LRT. Taran! KL Central. Okay, then let's see paano yung cards nila here. Okay, ito yung map. So, I'm in KL Central. Ayan, KLCC. O, diba? Okay, diretso. Walang credit cards. So, I need to buy a ticket here. But the question is, paano tayo bibili? Guys, okay, parang pwede mag-credit card or debit card. Let's try it. Okay. So, English, LRT, parang JRE line ako. And then, click on KLCC. 2.40 siya. So, select payment, bank card. Ala, are not available. Oh no. Patay. Guys, fail. Hindi po pwede. So, kailangan buti na lang meron ako withdraw kasi sira yung card. For now, hindi siya gumagana. Okay, balik. 2.40 siya. So, magko-coins tayo. Okay, maglagay na tayo. Ay. Okay. So, itatap mo yung token. And then, papunta ako kay LCC sa kabila. Kasi, you have to see kung saan siya, KLCC. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stops. And then, akyat na tayo here. Ganito pa rin siya token. So, buti na lang may free withdrawal. So, at least, yung tinignan ko yung sa airport bukas. Pero kahit nonetheless, meron akong cash. So, for tomorrow's airport train, I'm okay. Guys, ang dami pang pwedeng gawin dito rin sa station nila. May KFC. Ang dami yung may kainan. May McDo ata nandiyan yan. Kanina rin yan eh. And other dishes. And other groceries nandiyan. And this is the train station nila. So, mag-intay na lang tayo ng train. Oh, here. Ano? Job pala. Charan! Guys, ayan na yung Surya KLCC. So that's your mall. Guys, masarap rin yung coffee na yan. And we're here in the mall! Daming tao ng mall, guys. May isa sinabi sa akin kanina na parang may masarap daw na coffee shop I just need to remember what it was. Ay, naalala ko na tong KLCC. Malaki nga to. May mga bake shop sa baba. And naalala ko nag-try ako ng mga cards dito. So, ikot-ikot na ako. So, what we get, we need cash to buy tickets sa train. Yun na yung masasabi ko for now. Ikot na muna ako ng mall, guys. Guys, ito ang KLCC. Guys, nandito pala yung Petronas Twin Tower. If ever you're up for it, nandito siya. Oh. Entrance tickets. If you're the type na gusto mo siya makita, go. Nandito siya. O, diba? Anyways, hindi ko na muna siya gagawin kasi nakita ko naman na siya before. And the video is more about saan ka pwede maging cardless and saan magadali gumamit. So, yon, sinabi ko naman sa inyo kung saan. The trains, the one, mamaya pa uwi yung airport for sure. Now, gusto ko hanapin yung coffee. May masarap daw na coffee. And then, Seabank naman yung try ko ngayon. Tapos kapag ibigay na tayo with Gcash. Guys, ang daming mga ATM ng CIMB, so hindi kayo mahirapan if ever kailangan nyo ng cash. Okay, nakita ko na. It's called Oriental Coffee. Nasa 4th floor daw siya. So right now, kailangan ko lang umakyat to go to the 4th floor to find that coffee house. It's called Oriental Coffee. Guys, ayan yung Oriental Coffee. Tingnan mo naman yung pila dyan. Sobrang crazy. Nakakaloka. Oh my gosh. May time naman tayo, pwede akong magtrabaho. Pupunta tayo dyan at gusto kong makita kung ano bang meron. Mga pagkapagkain din pala siya. Guys, ang wild. Ayan, thickest egg tart, yung pinakasikat nila. Okay, pipila tayo. Ayan no, haba oh. Benefits, kung mag-isa ka guys, una ka may table. Okay. So, ganito yung itsura nito. And ito yung mga menu niya. Ang laki ng menu guys, libro. Wow. Nasi lemak, their chicken, diba, is very famous. Or you can get like the noodles, or mee siam, bihon, mee goreng, Hainan chicken, curry. I think sobrang laki ng mga service nito. Dry curry, laksa mee, prawn. Also have rendang. Beef rendang, yum. May chicken rendang nga, oh. And then soups. And they have fried rice. Laksa mee, vegetarian. O, ito, may pwede ka bumili ng mga coffee nila. Parang gusto ko i-try ito rin. Uwi ko to. And then you have rice. Ay, ito, kailangan i-try ito. Egg tart daw, sikat yan. And then polo bun, sikat rin daw yan. Kaya. And then you have street food nila. Curry. Coffee. Oh, gusto ko rin oh my god, may butter to. Oriental coffee. Coffee O, coffee C. Ayan, tingnan mo may mga ganito pa oh. Ice. So syempre magko-coffee na tayo kahit gabi na. Cold beverage. Treasure milk. Plum juices. And then may chendol, guys. May chendol rin sila. And mga mango sago. Ang dami. Herbal, yum. Nakakaloka, ang dami. So, we're going to get something. Let's try. For sure, we're gonna get a coffee. Oh my gosh, parang sakto 4 na rin naman. Pwede na ako kumain. Parang early dinner ko na to. Kontian ko lang guys. Babalik na lang tayo. The egg tart.
Ano 2 pieces pa yung egg tart, nakakaloka.
So you will put it here, oh. Code. So put the code from the menu, 501, and then in an order mo. So for sure, lahat ng mga bestseller, yun yung kukunin talaga natin. And then may coffee, I can order it here na. Ayan na guys, oh. And then mayroon siyang ordered. Oh my gosh, ang flaky niya guys. Ang ingat. As in, ang flaky niya. Sobrang flaky and eggy siya. fairness, masarap. Pero mas eggy siya. Hindi siya sobrang sweet din. Bagong luto. Pero ang flaky ng crust. Ang sarap ng crust. And then may coffee. Let's try. Ay, ang sarap. Roasted yung kinuha ko. And then sabi ko less sweet. Masarap. Bibili tayo ng 3-in-1 nila and 2-in-1. Guys, syempre nasa lemak tayo. So you have the chicken, sambal, cucumber, peanuts, and of course, parang dilis or like hindi ko alam kung anchovies ba yan. Parang isda. Let's try your chicken. So let's try the chicken. The chicken smells so good, guys. Konting sambal, egg. Pinutok ko din yung egg niya. Oh my God. Wow. Tapos kailangan mo lagyan mo ng konting fish, peanut, and then, ganyan. Sarap. Ang sarap. Guys, ang sarap. Then you have the cucumber. Oh my gosh, for extra crunch. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng sambal. Ang sarap. Must try. Guys, ayun o, bibili rin ako nito bago ko bayaran. Kasi may coffee sila dyan. And then, we'll pay here. So, ang question, saan ang bayaran dito? Dito. Oh, by the way, yung egg tart, pwede ka bumili ng ganyan kung gusto nyo. Oh, diba? Cute! Ang daming egg tarts. Guys, so, ang daming egg tarts dyan. Kung ayaw mo pumila, pwede kang ganyan. Ayan na, guys. And this one, yeah. So, I got yung sugar-free. Tapos, may isang original. Buy 5, take 1 daw siya. So, dapat mag 5 ka plus 1. Sulit! I love it. Ay, pwede Alipay. May Gcash. Pero ito na muna tayo for the best rates. Ay, pakalaki ng bag. Parang ang liit ng bag ko sa trip na to. Isasaksak ko sila lahat doon. Tatanggalin ko na siya sa box. At the egg tarts. Oh, sarap. Ang sarap ng egg tart naman nila. But I think yung mga coffee nila masarap. So we'll pay. Hi. Thank you. 161. It works. It works. Ay, makasi. I got the things. Gumana. And guys, look at those egg tarts. Yum. Guys, the C-Bank works. So total ng binayaran ko kanina is at 161.1. So titingnan natin. And then may pa-cashback din si C-Bank. So for sure, mas mababa pa yung nakuha mo nun kasi may cashback si C-Bank. So mag-ikot muna ako sa mall before I head back. Ay, may chaji rin dito. Medyo busog na talaga ako. So bawal na kumain. Pero oh my gosh, that nasi lemak, ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga. Yan na. So, 2184.55 yung kinaltas ni C-Bank. But, may cashback ako na 21.85. Ang laki, di ba? So, that's why, for me, use it still to pay. Wag yung withdraw. Kasi dati nag-withdraw ko doon. And meron siyang withdrawal fee. So, to pay, go. Max it out. Yung mga cashback mo, if ever. And then, after mo na max out yun, balik ka naman sa Gcash. So, if wala ka pang C-Bank, alam mo, it might not be the highest right now when it comes to like giving you the interest. Pero for me kasi sometimes, ang importante rin is, ano ba yung madaling gamitin? Kasi yun rin yung importante dun eh. Ginagamit mo ba? Diba? So, pwede siyang parang yan yung daily driver mo. Tapos yung iba mong higher interest earning na digital banks, dun mo itago yung pera mo. Pwedeng ganun yung tactic. That's what I do then. So, laki nun ha? 21 ha? Okay guys, so sa Mastercard, yung 161.1 is 2184.55. So yes, 0% talaga ang C-Bank. And then meron ka pang cashback. So panalong tiba-tiba ka. So yun lang, alalahanin nyo yan, gamitin. Sayang din siya. Okay, I'll go down. Okay guys, I'm back here in the Central. And then I wanna know the KLIA Express. Ayan o, KLIA Express. So, intindihin natin siya here. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Buy ticket. Ayan, pwedeng credit card. So, single trip, 1. Proceed. It's 55. And then pwedeng credit card. And then tap to pay lang. May bank. Fairness, guys, so pwede. Love it. Guys, so tingnan mo, every 15 minutes pa yung train. So, tingnan natin. Oh, taray, pwede rin Alipay Plus. There. Okay, ito rin yung mga timetable niya. So, nandito rin lahat. KL Central to Terminal 2, it starts 5 o'clock. Ang aga. So, 5, 5:33, 6. Okay, ganda. Guys, nakakatuwa. Sobra. Oh my gosh, and it only takes 28 minutes. Kahapon yung walang traffic ko, di ba, Grab? Mag 1 hour ako sa kotse. Tapos, 70 plus yun or 80. Mas mura to. Sulit. And then guys, dyan no, I can go there to go to Hilton. Back to the hotel. Ito na yun, lalakarin na natin. Papuntang hotel na siya, guys. Dire-diretso lang. Diba? Convenient. So, nag-gets na bakit convenient itong location. At maganda yung hotel. So, syempre guys, marami pang iba. Yung isang A-loft na dun, parang gusto ko rin siya sana mag-try. Maybe next time. So, pabilis mo lang trip ko na to. Ito na yun. Last day ko na to. Paalis na ako bukas na umaga because may work na kailangan gawin in Manila. But, alam mo, very thankful pa rin naman ako kasi syempre, we have to be thankful for, you know, having work and ganun. So guys, if we're going to look at 55 ringgit, diba, that's 745.81 pesos. If ever you're gonna use the GCash one. Tapos may cashback pa yan, di ba, na 1%. So, bababa pa yan, let's say, ng mga ilang peso, di ba, mga 7 peso pa yan. So, di ba, go na push na natin yan. So, bukas or later, pwede ako bumili para pakita rin sa inyo yan. So, yon, I think, in terms of, pwede nyo bang gamitin mga cashless? Pwede, depends where. Yung mga night market, dati hindi ko na napakita ngayon. Baka wala lang ako time to go to the night market. Pero yun, naalala ko yung cash. Unless yung mga restaurants na iba, pwede. Pero, most often than not, kailangan mag-cash ka if you're going to the night market. Sure ako dyan, guys. This is not the healthiest, but I gave in. They have a new fries. V-cut fries tawag nila dito. They have chicken fingers and a wrap. And then all of their different sauces are here as well. Yon, I gave in. Alam niyo naman na yan. So, unahin natin. Ito yung V-cut fries nila. Ganyan yung V. Hindi sobrang mainit itong nakuha ko. But 24 hours naman kasi yung McDo niyan. So, alam mo, pag i-grab food ko siya, mas mahal siya ng, kasi may delivery fee, plus may pa siya McDo delivery fee. Ang mahal. As in like, 10 Malaysian ringgit na yung difference yun. So, parang, alam ko meron lang sa tapat, linakad ko na lang. Nakatipid pa ako. Ito yung parang tomato wrap. May chicken siya. I think it's chicken or may hash brown ba to? Hash brown. And then it's all chili sauce pala ito. Not bad to, guys. But I wanted more chicken kasi we need protein. And ito na yung guys, ayam tender. So meron sila yung mga chicken wings. So 3 pieces to, I got assorted. Ito yung regular. Hinakamay ko guys para makita nyo lang. Malinis naman yung kamay ko. And this is the spicy. So let's try. Guys, masasarap to. Ay, spicy. Spicy to spicy. At least protein. Guys ha. Chicken talaga siya. Buong chicken. So I used a credit card kanina to pay. So, ginamit natin yung RCBC credit card. So, why did I also want to use the RCBC credit card? I wanted to test it out kasi RCBC does not trade Malaysian ringgit. So, tingnan natin kung anong rate yung kukunin niya dito. Kung RCBC rate ba or the Visa rate because it's a Visa credit card. Because this is a forex that they do not trade. So, hopefully, mas mababa yung rate. Tingnan natin or mas competitive yung rate na makukuha natin sa card na yan. By the time of this video, mapopost na rin naman siya dito. So, let's see. Hopefully, tingnan natin para at least alam nyo rin siya. And then, I have to get ready soon because later, maaga rin ako pupunta sa airport because I have an early flight tomorrow to go home. Departure for KLIA. Ito na, guys. Guys, and then dito, so once you have your ticket, diba? Diretso ka lang here. And then, meron dapat dito, travel light to, pero hindi na ata ako aabot for that. But it's okay. Platform train. Ayan o, so you, pwede at mag-type, pero tayo may QR, just scan the QR. And then, that's it. And then, pasok ka na sa terminal train. Sa platform doon. That's it. Ayan, so may 18 minutes na train. Train boarding diretso. So parang yung sabi nila, pag yung train daw, hindi pa, pag yung train daw mag-board guys, dapat tingnan mo kung saan mag-board. Parang dapat dumiretso. Ayun o, kung nakita mo train boarding, dapat ganyan, dumiretso ka. Huwag ka doon sa kabila mag-intay. Kasi nandun yung train, hindi dun sa other side. Ganun siya. Guys, ayan yung train. So dapat pumunta ka at pumila na kayo maaga. Ito na yung train mo. Hindi din mo, may mga luggage rack rin sila dyan. Oh. So pwede mo lagay. Ito yung gamit mo. So ang next stop from KL Central, diretso, Terminal 1 na. Bilis, 28 minutes lang yan. So the time now is 5:40 siya aalis. Tingnan natin what time we will reach Terminal 1. Guys, sakto. Nagsara na yung mga doors.
Selamat datang ke KLIA Express. Perjalanan tanpa henti ke lapangan terbang antarabangsa KL Terminal 1 ini akan mengambil masa 2 anda. Welcome on board the KLIA Express. Your non-stop journey to KL International Airport Terminal 1.
Ito na, malapit na next stop na oh. Sakto talaga. Oh my gosh guys, ayan na, wait lang. Scan. Back. Departures na 5th floor siya guys. So sa 5th floor siya. So MH tayo ngayon. So we will go to row H. Usually. Hinahanap ko yung Malaysian Airlines na business. Kasi guys, may JAL tayo. So dapat pwede tayo doon sa JAL. Guys, this is Malaysian Airlines lounge. So may mga food. And look, I got nasi lemak with rice and a croissant, and this is beef rendang. Medyo weird. Nasi lemak. Naka-wrap siya sa rice. Taran! Sarap. Sarap ng beef. Of course, the beef rendang. Sarap. Sarap. Siyempre, you have to have laksa when you're here, di ba? Let's eat. Sarap. Warms your stomach. Then have gulay. Yan mga gulay, guys. Nyonya laksa. Ay, ang sarap, guys. Grabe. Oh my gosh.